So my name is Zachary Kulwicki. This is Waite High School, and this is the welding program for career technologies. So we start sophomore year learning about metallurgy, measurements, safety, things like that. And then we move into our junior and senior classes, which every semester we focus on a particular welding process. So we start with MIG welding, GMAW, then we move into stick welding, SMAW, flux core, FCAW, and then we move into TIG welding, which is GTAW, beginning of their senior year. Typical day for the students, depending on their grade level, they either have a 1 hour, 2 hour, or 3 hour block class. So sophomores come in and we usually try to do a couple of days of classroom work and a couple of days of lab work every week. Juniors and seniors, they will get classroom and lab work every single day.
My name is Clayton Haney. We're at the welding program at Waite High School. The program in general is great. I've been here since the beginning of the year. I intend to do it next year for my senior year. We're in the classroom for about 15-20 minutes. He just goes over like what we do for the day, and then we're coming down to the booth for the remaining 2 hours.
Every single class, I try to get them started on projects as soon as possible.
Today, I cut a background piece for this sign I'm making for my mom. I used the CNC plasma cutter to cut them both out, and then I just finished painting them.
Projects are a better tool for learning welding versus just them repetitively practicing on a piece of angle iron over time. Ideal candidate for this program is somebody that does not mind sparks, playing with fire, doesn't mind getting dirty, has a good work ethic that's going to show up every single day on time.
My name is Jeremy Jersky. I'm here with Waite High School with the welding program. Mr. K, he's a phenomenal teacher. Meeting him at the beginning of the year, it was great. He's well instructed, he knows what he's doing, so he helps out a lot.
2 years ago, I had a student who was in a relatively rough spot, graduated, took this class to heart, and now she is out in the field working as a TIG welder, making $22 an hour. She's doing really well from where she came from. But that's the kind of students that we're looking for in this class, are the ones that really want to be the kids that have seen some stuff and they know that this is a vehicle that they can use to improve their life over the course of the rest of their life.
My future plans are to come back next year for senior year, get the certifications I need, and then hopefully this summer get my scuba certs, and I'm hoping to do underwater welding. Underwater welding is one of the dangerous jobs right now going on. There's a lot of pay for that. You're on an oil rig or whatever for a couple months, and it's tax-free.
When you graduate from the welding program, you have an intrinsic skill that will last you the rest of your life. You have the ability to join any of the local unions, any private industry, and translate those skills into an incredibly lucrative career. And again, it's not just a job, it is a career that will last you the rest of your life.
So right now I'm playing football. I'm hoping that goes well for me, but if not, this is definitely a great backup, you know? If so, I would like to go weld in like North Dakota or something. That'd be really nice. I would like it because you gotta think, say you're welding up there, you know, you can look at the water, look at whatever's around, you know. It's just a nice landscape, you know.
Great paying, good benefits, awesome retirements are out there and waiting. There are at least a dozen different organizations in and around Northwest Ohio that are begging welders and fabricators and machinists to come out and actually work for them and pay them very handsomely to do so. For anyone that is interested in taking a look at the welding class, talk to your parents, talk to your relatives, ask them if they had ever learned a trade skill, if they ever wanted to learn a trade skill, and going back in time if that would be more beneficial for them.
There's a lot of things in life you can do, like underwater welding, local 33, local 50, you know, there's no border really, there's a lot you can do, and you definitely make a lot of money.
Definitely give it a shot. Even if you're not willing to weld in the future, it gives you another opportunity to take on in life.
You have something under your belt that you know how to do.
If you are at Waite High School, every year we do a tour of all the career tech shops, especially for freshmen coming in. End of your sophomore year going into junior year, you have the ability to go across the district for any of the career tech classes, including welding. Every summer we do a summer camp, so look for those as well. If you like playing with fire and electricity, you don't mind getting dirty, we have a lot of fun in this class.